Is he hooked? How's he hooked? There we go. Barely had him on there, but I mean, not big, but at least we got one on camera. Go ahead. Good job. What is going on, fellow anglers? Welcome back to another video. I just got done going into Walmart, got me some inline spinners. Mops is the brand I got. I never really used them, always used the rooster tail, so I ended up trying those. When I get back to the house after this adventure, I'm gonna show off the new kayak I got for free. Mother-in-law dropped it off. It was her dad's before he passed away. It's got a little work that needs to get done to it, some stuff, so I'll end up showing you guys that. That way you can let me know what you think I should do to it. And so y'all can always put that in the comments, and when we get there, we'll do that. Anyways, we're gonna go back to Sportsman Lake. I was gonna try a different one, but it's already 8 o'clock in the morning, and I don't feel like driving 20 minutes away to a new spot, and I really don't have to. Oh yeah. So Aaron's not with us this time, so he had to work and all that other stuff. It is what it is. I'm driving through the walls marks. So hopefully we can catch us some good sized fish today. Since it's gotten kind of warm and all the storms and stuff, I haven't caught anything of size. Nothing's breaking a pound. Hopefully we can at least bust over a pound. We'll even measure every single one of them that we get today, just to say that we've measured them. You know, so we're gonna head on through it. That's the good thing about being off on Fridays and everything, nobody's here. So I get to fish and have a good time all by myself, which also means I gotta be a little bit safer. Not a big deal. But, so we were gonna go to Fagan Branch, which is right down the road from where we're at now, but it is what it is. Got held up in that traffic, which wasn't the greatest, and I see stuff moving around. Maybe I can cast out real quick. We'll do a cast real quick. Unfortunate, but we got new stuff that we're gonna try out. All right, let's fix her up. That there, that there, seat up. You know, I broke the seat. I'll fix the seat whenever I get back on. Grab our bag and our net and our phone. All right, net. In this, because I am going after something big. I think that's everything we need, honestly. All right, let's get out of here. Alright, now we're in it. I'm gonna fish around that dock for a little while. We forgot our phone. We forgot the phone. We'll get there. We'll get there, I promise. Alright. Believe we are ready. Hopefully enticing a bite with them, but that ain't working. So might have to do something else. Might even have to change out this onto the bait caster. Yeah, change this out on the bait caster, and then since it's all gacked up, it looks like. No, it's fine. It's upside down. Maybe in the middle. All right, well, I want to get out of this kind of code, to be honest with you. Yeah, we'll get out of here. Well, not exactly what we're looking for. Come on, buddy. I'm not trying to hurt you. Well, not exactly what we're looking for. Come on, buddy. I'm not trying to hurt you. But, got him. Thank you, sir. Hang on there, buddy. You just jabbing. There we go. We actually got one on here. Not too bad of a size, but we finally got one on camera. I'll give you a kiss. All right, well, get off here too. Well, that's a good sign. You either got the right color lure or just in the right spot. Stay dry for a while, I'll be all right. Stay dry, no thunderstorms. I don't know it at all because it is coming down. I wasn't expecting it to rain today. Look at that, it's a cold rain. Ooh. one more cast and I'm out. We're out for the day. Oh, sweet. There we go. Might be a spot. But we caught us another. Or it could be a largemouth. Nope, nope, that's a Kentucky bass. Thank you, buddy. At least you get my fish number up. Yep, there we go. Might as well just slip in the mud, make it a day. Oh my goodness. Oh. There we go. We got us another, got us a smallmouth. I hooked him in the gill plate, but we caught him. I'm gonna count him. If you don't, I don't care. And my goal was to catch a smallmouth, and that's exactly what we did. But we got us a dinky smallmouth. It's a smallmouth nonetheless. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did making it, because I mean, I might be complaining about it. It's not too bad. Me, I'm wet. I caught a couple fish. I caught about 4 today, and then a couple other and the day before. Birds nested. Not the greatest day, I can tell you that, but still not awful. This thing's pretty cool. I like it. It goes after all the ones that goes for about everything. Yeah, it's not a bad lure, so if you ever get your MEPs with this one, I would definitely recommend it. All right. Oh, let's get back in this stinky truck.